Okay, so a little bit of hammering. We get that pin out, put that up there, pull out a piece, and we've got that slide. Pull that down. There you go. That piece. Now you'll notice you've got your spring and everything set up in there. So next we're going to do is make sure the hammer's back. That's the big thing. Is when this is completely stripped, you don't want that hammer just hitting on the stainless steel or the aluminum part. So next spot we're going to do is we're going to take our beaver tail safety off. So we get our safety up there. I should have put the safety up there earlier. That prevents you from pulling that. So a little bit of wiggling has to come out on the top position. So there's our safety put there. Now we've got our beaver tail. See, comes right off. Now you'll notice here we've got our springs. So at this point in time we bring the hammer up, and that piece like that. Slide our spring out. Alright, so now we've got our hammer there. Nice and easy push. Push this through our pin. Our hammer comes out. And now you'll notice in here, don't know if you can see it, hard with the light. When I do the assembly I'll take it back together. But you'll notice in here, which is unlike the other 1911s that I've seen, it's got this extra safety piece here. Don't know what it's quite called, but instead of when you push this last pin out and it drops into your hands, right? Instead of getting the normal two pieces that you see there, which I've seen in every 1911 that I've taken apart, you've got that third piece. Now that really threw me off the first time I did a disassembly strip when I got this gun, is because it was hard finding any videos that had that third piece and what was going on. And I actually had to go and find a kind of a picture site that had pictures on how to just put these together, and I had a diagram. So that's mainly why I'm doing this video, is to help the people out there. It's like, what's going on with these three pieces? So we'll put that off to the side. So now we've got everything stripped except for our trigger. So same thing. Get another Allen key, kind of push the mag release up while twisting. It doesn't like that size. There we go, finally caught. So you twist that screw. There's your mag release. That comes out, boom. And now you've got your trigger. Push that through. Got your trigger there. And now you have a fully disassembled Kimber 1911 Pro Carry and slide. So kind of put a little bit more light over here. So as you see, fully bare bones, all taken apart, completely stripped. our slides completely stripped. Boom. And as you can see, there's the plethora of parts. Kind of move everything and slide this a little bit more over to the light. Kind of awkward, the light I have. I can see just fine, but video doesn't show up really good. So there you can see all the pieces are pulled out of here. So it's time for the sonic bath. So I'm going to put everything. Oh, and one last thing. Just looking through here. So we've got a guide rod and our spring. Now, a lot of guys, you know, have this special tool that goes down if you have the special tools. It's not like hardcore spring that I found. Just nice and slow. Lift up on it. Pull that pin out. There's the top. There's the spring. And there's your guide rod. So, there is a complete, detailed strip of your Kimber Pro Carry 1911. I'll get some better light here when I do the full put together. But yeah, I haven't seen a detailed strip on the Kimber. So, you know, way past your field strip. Now it's bare bones. Now it's time to take a sonic bath and get all bright and shiny. Alright, so I'll come back for the reassembly video.